Guys, the Venus is not doing its job as well. I actually don't like how that looks like. Hi everyone, it's Sally Cat Castle, your youth makeup artist with the heart. And in today's episode, we will be doing a product review on the Dito Venus Palette Limited Edition Eyeshadow Palette. Yes! I actually got this in the Boxycharm Beauty Box subscription. And I'm super excited because today it's not my usual look where the other one is already done and then we're gonna recreate the other side. Today, we will just explore this together. And I actually haven't used any of it yet. So without further ado, let's begin. And whatever it is that I will not be able to apply on my eye, we're gonna do a swatch in the end. So once you actually open it, you actually get 12 colors and super excited. So let's actually begin. So the first color that I'm actually gonna use is, you know what? Let's actually try this red color right here, the Callisto. And then we're going to apply that right on the sides of my eye. Oh no, this one actually is not working. Let me see. And it's crazy because I already prepped my eye, but it doesn't look like it's really doing a good job. It actually looks very patchy. You know what? Let me actually overlap it anyway instead with the Ganymede. Let's see how this is gonna work. Then let's actually put that right on top of it. Oh my gosh. The first color, guess what, guys? It was not good. But you know what? Hopefully, this other one looks like it's performing very well. So again, always remember to always prime your eyes before you put on your eyeshadow. You know, as they say, it's a crime not to prime. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's the good thing about when it's the first time for you to use a palette. It's like you're not really sure what's gonna work and what's not. Look at that. So the second color is pretty good. And then you know what? You know what we're gonna do now is let's actually proceed to, you know what? Let's actually try Moon, which is kind of like a burnt orange that has a little bit of a rustic color. Let's actually try that right in the middle. This one looks like it's actually performing very well as well. So far it's just the reddish pink that was not working, but this one is still working. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This actually reminds me of like the universe. Yes! Because it actually has those sparkles. And then after that, we're now going to proceed to our third color. What do you guys think? So now the third color would be, you know what? This is calling my name, Jupiter. It looks like it's like a nice, rich yellow gold. That's the reason why I wore yellow today. And looks like this one actually is also performing quite well. And then we're just basically pressing it in. What do you guys think? I actually think that it's actually a good color combination so far. Then we're just gonna blend it in right towards the middle eyeshadow. Look at that, right? And then after that, we're now gonna do our crease color. You know what? Let's actually try Mercury right here. Let's see if it's gonna work. Now let's actually apply it right on our crease. Oh, you know what? That's actually not showing. You know what? Now let's actually try Earth. Let's see. It looks like it has a combination of green, brown, and a little bit of gold. Okay, that's not bad, but it's still not doing what I want it to. You know what? Let's actually try this one. Is it IO or is it number 10? And then let's actually put that right on the crease. Okay, so this one I think is doing a good job. As you can see, it actually has like that transitional color because the other two a while ago was not really showing much. But this one looks like it's doing a pretty good job. Right? What do you guys think? Let me know. And now after that, let's actually put some highlight right on the inner corner. Sorry for this dry patch, by the way. Let's actually try this. Venus. Yes. And then we're gonna apply that right here. Right on top of like the inner corner. Going towards, you know what? That actually looks patchy too. What's going on? There's so many patchy stuff in here. Oh my gosh. But you know what? We're just gonna try to make it work. Guys, the Venus is not doing its job as well. I actually don't like how that looks like. You know what? Let's actually try Mars. It looks like it's like a combination of different colors. It has some rose gold, some flesh, some white. And let's see if it's gonna do a better job than the other one. Okay, so that's at least giving me something. But, you know, I mean, I'm not really wowed by it. But I think so far, at least it's getting somewhere. And then what we're gonna do now is we're gonna do our bottom lash line. You know what we're gonna do? Let's actually go back to Ganymede, just so that we can actually have this connection from the purple that we did right on the side. And then we're gonna do that right on the bottom lash line. And it's always okay to go a little bit thicker on the outside, going thinner on the inside. Yes. So what do you guys think of this eyeshadow palette? So far, there's actually some colors that were not working. And then after that, what we're gonna do now is let's actually try the black color and use it as an eyeliner. It's called Europa. I hope this one works, you know, because not a lot of... Oh, again, oh my gosh, this one is not working. Let's actually try it. Okay, so now it's actually giving me a little bit of something. And we're going to apply that right on the lash line. So just make sure that you actually use like a very firm brush. Once you actually use that, like a smudge brush. I actually got this at Target. It's the Sonic Cash smudge brush. And what do you guys think of this color so far? Then we're just gonna do like a little wing right there on the side. And then going towards the inner corner. Look at that, right? And then after that, I think we haven't used the brown color here yet. So you know what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to use this color, like the blending brush. And let's actually blend it. You know what? Let's actually try it right outside of the purple. Oh, that's actually pretty good. It actually gives like a little bit of dimension. What do you guys think? Oh my gosh! And then after that, I think I haven't used this. You know what? Let's swatch this instead then. This is the Deimos. Let's actually put it on right on her hand. Oh, look at that. It's actually pretty, but the only thing is it actually has a lot of like those chunky glitters. So I'm not sure if that's gonna go well with the colors that we actually applied right on our eye today. But since we already used all the colors in here, let me actually complete this look by applying a brown eyeliner right on my waterline. So let's actually put it right here. And then this is actually my Pixie favorite eyeliner, Pixie by Petra. And this is like Black Cocoa. We're gonna put it on the waterline. And then we're gonna do it right on the outside. And then we're gonna do it again towards the inner corner. What do you guys think? So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna put some false eyelashes. I'm gonna do the other side and put more blush and a lipstick. And I'm gonna give you my overall thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. But at least you got to see which ones worked and which ones did not work. I'll be right back. And I'm back. So now it's time for me to give you my overall thoughts on this eyeshadow palette. So out of 12 eyeshadows, only 6 worked. 4 were so-so, and 2 were the worst. So let's start with the worst. I did not like the Deimos because that was so chunky. And then the Callisto, it was so patchy. So the so-so ones were the Mercury. I mean, the Mercury did not really do a good job. The Earth did not really show up right on my crease. And then the Europa, I mean, look at that. I applied it as a liner and it turned brown. And then the Venus right on her inner corner, it did not even show at all. So not really happy about that as well. But the 6 colors that worked for me were the purple one, the Ganymede, the Mars were pretty good as well right on the crease. The Phobos were very good right on the bottom lash line. And then I also loved the Io. I also love the Moon and the Jupiter as well. So if you actually see, the packaging of this eyeshadow palette is really nice. But guess what? There was no substance in it. I did not feel any constellation. I did not feel the universe. So my overall thoughts on this? Meh. That means, it did not really give me any professional result. I mean, I'm not even sure if this is really something that I would wear every day compared to the other eyeshadow palettes that I've received before. So what do you think? Please let me know your thoughts as well on this eyeshadow palette as well. So there you go. If you enjoyed this super honest review, hope that you can give this video a thumbs up. And also if you're into unbagging, unboxing, as well as product reviews, as well as my episodes where I do an eye makeup tutorial while I discuss a specific topic that's close to my heart. Hope you can consider subscribing as well. And again, my name is Alicat Castle, telling you that you are beautiful just the way you are, with or without makeup. And yes, you are special. I love you. Bye!